Hey everyone. Welcome back to Brostery. We all want long, healthy, and strong hair, right? Well, I've got 10 amazing natural ingredients that can help you achieve just that. Let's get started. Ingredient 1, Aloe Vera. First on the list is aloe vera. This plant is a powerhouse of enzymes that promote healthy hair growth by balancing the pH level of your scalp, reducing dandruff, and conditioning your hair. Ingredient 2, coconut oil. Coconut oil is another staple in hair care, and for good reason. It's rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, preventing protein loss and reducing breakage. Ingredient 3, rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a must-have for anyone looking to boost hair growth naturally. It stimulates hair follicles, increases circulation, and can even prevent premature graying. Ingredient 4, onion juice. Onion juice might sound unusual, but it's incredibly effective for hair growth. Rich in sulfur, it boosts collagen production and strengthens hair. Ingredient 5, castor oil. Castor oil is thick, nutrient-rich, and high in ricinoleic acid, which helps balance the scalp's pH and encourages hair growth. Ingredient 6, peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known for its cooling effect, but did you know it also stimulates hair growth? It increases blood circulation to the scalp, which can help your hair grow faster and stronger. Ingredient 7, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which are known to strengthen hair and stimulate growth. Soak the seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp and hair. Ingredient 8, green tea. Green tea isn't just great for your body, it's also beneficial for your hair. It contains antioxidants that promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Ingredient 9, hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers and leaves are rich in amino acids and vitamin C, which are essential for healthy hair growth. You can make a paste from fresh hibiscus leaves and flowers and apply it to your scalp. Ingredient 10, avocado. Last but not least, we have avocado. This superfood is packed with vitamins and fatty acids that nourish the scalp and hair. And there you have it, 10 natural ingredients that can work wonders for your hair growth journey. Have you tried any of these? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.